Well, 10 years later.
You know, this thing's been sitting longer than I'd like to admit. All because I sold the turbo. And then I didn't really want to put one back on it because I had a lot of other stuff going on. Now, somehow the wife has worked her way into getting my brand new turbo. Because I had got another turbo for the Honda because I have issues. And I upgrade turbos like 10 times before a car runs.
So she apparently.
Apparently, this thing's had probably every setup you could ever imagine on it. But right here, we have brand new 6466 with the new cover. Obviously, it's all loose. We're going to have to caulk it. Nice Cerakoted center section. This is, if you remember, the turbo going on the Honda. But the Honda got a bigger turbo. Not sure if that was the right decision or not. Worst case, the 68 will work its way onto a Subaru. Not that I said what size it was. So, we need to put this thing on today. So, to start out, you probably need to put the oil drain on. And then get this thing on here. Really not motivated for it.
It'll take 2 minutes.
Well, after putting that thing together in one day.
She's back.
Yeah. Alright, well, let me...
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
Boom.
Thing's always a pain in my ass.
But
Hate working on this car.
She's back.
I don't know why, it's just you ever had one of those cars that every time you work on it, it just seems like nothing ever goes right? That's this car to me.
That's because you're so mean to her that she does it on purpose.
Somehow we've kept this pile for 4 years.
Stop.
So if anyone wants to buy it,
No.
drop down in the comments.
Now you sound like Josh.
What?
Morford always tries to sell it. It's
Are you
never
ready?
going anywhere.
One day.
Are you ready for that cold start?
Yeah, I mean, this is a real cold start. It's been sitting for months.
You gotta push it away from the wall so it doesn't get your pretty wall all dirty.
You fucked my wall up. I'm very mad.
That's why I said we have to
We gotta
push
get it
away.
out.
Just push a little bit.
I don't think it's even that close to the wall.
No?
There's stuff behind it anyways.
That's true.
I say roll it.
Okay, well here.
I gotta check for exhaust leaks, so can't let it run for too long maybe. Unless if there's no exhaust leaks, we can. Check the oil.
Should we check the oil real quick?
Probably should.
Is that towel too dirty?
Yeah, that thing's salvage.
Do you have another towel?
I don't. We don't work out of the house no more. Does it look like it's got oil in it? Mm-hmm. You're just saying that. There's nothing on the stick. No, it's on the other side. There. These things are always so dumb on the dipsticks. You flip them over, you have a heart attack. Other side, you flip over, you're good.
She's Gucci.
New 6.4 on. Let's see if it's got any exhaust leaks. Let's see how she cold starts too. It's been a hot minute. Just start it and I'm going to feel for leaks and then I'll tell you to turn it off if there's leaks. been leaving for Texas, so a little bit of a lapse here, but wife's been knocking the videos out for you, so everyone thank her.
This video's kind of weird because it started out like 2 months ago and now it's going to end
Yeah.
right now. We've been too busy.
Yeah, I know they just saw us put that turbo on the Civic in this video. Now it's off the Civic. So Civic updates are coming soon for those of you that are waiting for it. All the parts are ordered. Everything is on the way to put that thing together. Next up is just finding time. So it'll be on a weekend. Like I said, we are taking the rest of this week off to get our personal cars done. Part of our vacation. I don't know if you call it a vacation still, since we're still working, but
we
then
got 2 cars running.
yeah, now there's 2 cars running. Both your cars, none of mine run.
That's because yours are a little bit more in depth than mine.
By in depth, you mean
Blown the fuck up.
oh, noted.
No, Civic isn't too far.
No.
Civic's like exactly what we just did to this.
Really? Now you gotta help me put the Civic together.
Ooh.
Regain your love. You took the turbo off. It was pretty easy, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was 2 bolts. That was easy. It was easier than putting it back on this.
Yeah, this sucks. This really sucked. Well, we're gonna go enjoy today.
Put our wheels on.
Yeah, it's gonna go back in summer mode because now I don't think we're gonna have to worry about any weather anymore. So snow tires are coming off. Snow tires might work their way on the RA for track day. They're like poor man's slicks. Have you feel them? You ever felt them? They're like super soft. They're like slicks. So it's gonna wrap it up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of erratic back and forth, but that's all right. We're getting caught up. Cars are getting done. That means more content is coming because it is now race season. So it's a little bit easier than winter to record. And the GoPros tend to like the warm a bit more. So that's gonna wrap it up. I will see you guys in the next video. We're gonna go enjoy our Sunday, right?
Yeah.
You gonna wash the car?
Ooh. No, she's washed.
Oh, all right.
She got put away. They both got put away washed. They're fine.
I see how you overachiever.
I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, all set, I'm on a chase. I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, all set, I'm on a chase. That's the way. I said I'ma do it, I'ma get it anyways. All I do is work, I got this money on my brain. I don't like to talk, I just got way too much at stake. They been trying to get me, I'ma get them out of the way. I said I'ma do it, I'ma go and get it back. We got in a whip, then I went and hit the dash. I've been thanking God for this life that I done had. I don't need opinions, dog, I only need the facts. What's real, dog? Sitting still, dog. They in they feels, dog. I got these bills, dog. Need a meal, dog. If they wantin' less, it's no deal, dog. I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, all set, I'm on a chase. I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, all set, I'm on a chase.
Well, we did the impossible, and we made it to Cars and Coffee. So now,
Copy.
we're just out here, walking around, checking out some of the other cars, and enjoying our Sunday afternoon.
That's a first.
I know. What's after this? Does this mean we gotta go out to dinner tonight?
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Okay. I'm stuck driving the pile over there. Great.
I know, you could even park next to me. You're so embarrassed.
I know. Damn thing. No.
Oh, God.
Driving good after sitting for, I don't even know how long, 2 months. This thing sat for like 3 months.
Dang.
She's back. Looking good. How's it feel to drive her again?
She feels good.
Yeah?
Other than the seatbelt chime because of the race seats.
Well, maybe if you didn't unhook your battery, it would be good.
That's Gray's fault because we had to use it to jump Gray.
Because Gray's a pop. Everybody's going to eat us up in the comments about Gray.
I love Gray. It's funny.
I like Gray. It's just a pain in my ass. Always has been. But Gray's going to go through some, I don't know about changes, but updates here soon. Needs to make more power.
She's
I was
fine.
making out.
Okay, goodbye. This
Oh,
isn't
Jesus.
happening.
Here we go again. Goodbye. Andrew, you're so kind to drive my other car out here. He's in the zone right now. Don't mess with him. He's got a new fan.
Oh, God.
It's beautiful. I wouldn't mind a nice Camaro.
No.
Next one for the channel. Everyone.
That's what I was you don't see this. This one, you feels like you're a. That's all David did. It was the other side. Looks way better though without the old man freaking.
You want to tell the people what you did?
Well, Andrew just took and put some carbon fiber in my car, detailed it, wrapped it. No, I don't want to tell him. Looks clean. So the V is no longer around. Some will catch it in the background. Oh, Andrew over here talked me into taking my FAWX, you guys know I love so much, back.
He's gonna build it this time.
Shut up. Don't get them hyped. 'Cause I hype them all the time and never build one.
The carbon does look so much better though.
It does look much
Instead of that
better.
old man's wood.
I'll show you wood.
Okay, bye.
Nice little cruise after the car meet. Boy, does already look good back there. So we're just going drive together around, enjoying this nice, beautiful weather we're having, and we are going to go out to dinner tonight. So that is going to wrap up this video. Definitely has been a good time. Taking a little bit of a break. Next week, back hard at it. We are going to be hitting it hard. We got a lot of work to do. Obviously, we took off 2 weeks, and with taking off 2 weeks means that's a lot to come back and do. So you guys will see a lot of content, or we may be a little bit MIA again, just because you guys know how it goes. You know, if I could do this as my full-time job of, sorry, I'm back in the car, full-time job of just YouTube, then I would be able to provide more content for you guys. But again, I already have a full-time job, and we all know YouTube takes time like a full-time job. So wife's backing up the car. We're gonna go get some nice food. Oh, what? You trying to talk to me? Smells mighty good over here. Both cars on E85, and it smells so good. So we are at good old, my favorite, Outback Steakhouse. Yeah, you know we're getting a bloomin' onion. So wrap it up, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you all for your support, and it's been an awesome little bit of a vacation. So definitely gotta hit the ground running, get back to work, and I cannot wait for this weekend when we make the wife race her car and get some good time. So stay tuned for that, guys.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you limits, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living